Yo, we're in the studio right now. Just waking up.
Yeah, wake it up,
Man,
wake up, bake up, the cake up.
It's man Tezo Scale, new talent already. He's on the phone with something, I don't know. She sound alright. As you can clearly see, like, I'm tired as fuck right now. I got the shit face on right now. This is a song I'm about to work on right now. I did the first verse yesterday. We was too tired to finish. You hear the rest. It'll take a while to come back.
Wait for it. You don't know what I have. Wait for it.
So this is the preview of the first verse. I hear the rest on the mixtape.
Nah, bitch, fuck that. I'm a sick nigga, give me on my bus bad bitch, better ride this street like a bus pass. Try to keep my pockets fat like an airplane, so I never lose no weight, top slim fast. It's better than competition with a gun to move, like I can move, getting paid, getting laid, stay getting brain. Niggas like quarterbacks with no time, harder bowl, you getting played on a kid before now, I can't surrender in the race, so I don't play no games. Getting straight from morning time all day. Niggas like Jay-Z, got no day, no be prone to the shit I'm on, finna leave y'all gone, but leave not known. See y'all home, all in the misery, third block home. Watch the niggas stopping, niggas slow down, stopping. Niggas say they pop off, but like rockin' shit. And leave your bang gone, but who's rockin' this? I'm on top of this. You wanna see some cash, you better get a job. You wanna know how much I make, that ain't the business mine. Keep the bottom coming, and that's gonna get me gone. And that's gonna get me gone. Make it rain, cause I'm getting paid. Make it rain, cause I'm getting paid. Make it rain, cause I'm getting paid. Make it rain, make it rain.
See what the testament of the all-track chorus. Yeah, that's the preview of it right now. The introduction mixtape. Somehow.
All the chorus is off, bruh.